Hello guys, we have just reached South Atoll of Maldives by the seaplane. Now onto this boat. This boat will take us to Amaya Kuda Rah, which is our destination. We have reached Amaya Kuda Rah. Let me take you in. The entrance looks very nice. So now we are welcomed here with the welcome drink. Let's get moving to the room. We have booked a beach suite for the first day of stay in Amaya Kuda Rah, which is a duplex room. There is a video out there made with all the details of this duplex room. Do watch it, the room will amaze you. We just got fresh and out for breakfast now. So there is a large spread now in the buffet. We have got sandwiches, we have got here cereals to go along with, we have some salad and honey milk. So there are varieties of breakfast available. We have Indian, Arabic, many things are there, and desserts, fruit, cut fruits, whole fruits, beef, everything is available. This hash brown was amazing. We had it every time we went to the buffet. our second day in Amaya Kuda Rah. We are moving to the beach villa today. There is a video out there of the room tour. The link is in the description below. You can spot the fishes here from the top itself. Ray fish. As we had our anniversary today, we are out for candlelight dinner. This was the fish starter, and this is the chicken starter. There was a main course for fish and chicken both, so we opted one fish and one chicken. And the dessert here were amazing, which were made by the chef himself. All the dessert had the strawberry in it, and the ice cream, the parfait, everything had ice creams in it. This candlelight dinner is of additional cost, which will cost you around 10,000 Indian rupees.
We moved to beach villa today. So first day we stayed at the beach suite, then we moved to the water villa, and this is our third day here. So we moved to the beach villa. So we have stayed in all the three available rooms here. So many of them.
Bye bye, Amaya Kuda Rah.
Okay,